Okay, so in this video, we're going to be taking a look at how we can assign program codes to the different submissions within our program. So it's important to make a distinction here. There are two places in the application that you can assign program codes. One is in the decisions table, and the other is in the program builder. I would recommend that if you're assigning the program codes before you've built out your program, or if you're not using the program feature at all, then you should assign the program codes in the decisions table. If you've already built out your schedule in the program builder and assigned your submissions to the different sessions, then this is the best place to assign your program codes. So I've gone into the program builder. We can see that we have sessions. And if I click into one of the sessions, we can see that we have submissions attached to that session. So what I can do now is I can assign the program codes from here. And it's important to state what a program code is as well. So if I go to the actual view of the conference here, so this is the schedule. If I click into one of the sessions and then go down to the submissions within the session, we can see that there is a program code here. So by default, what will be shown here is the submission ID. Unless you assign a program code to a particular submission, then in the program code will be shown here like this. Okay, so that's what a program code is. Now let's have a look at how we can assign these within the program builder. So to do this, we just need to go to the settings tab here and then assign program codes. So this view here is going to, at the top, we're going to say what are the rules for assigning the program code. So let's say, for instance, we want to give a program code to all the submissions which are displaying posters in our schedule. So we might want to have the prefix as P. We can say what is the start number. So, typically this would start at 1, but for whatever reason you may wish to start at a higher number. And we can also have padded zeros. So in this example, this would be the first program code that's assigned, and then it would be P011. So once we have our rules in place, what we can then do is select the sessions which we would like to assign the program codes to. So I can select all of the sessions, and then this is going to show me on the right-hand side the submissions which are within these sessions, and then the program codes which will be assigned to them. So in this case, if I'm just assigning the P program codes, then I would most likely deselect the other sessions and just have my posters selected. So now this is going to show me the submissions which are within the posters on display session, and it will show me what are the program codes which will be assigned to them. And I can just hit apply changes. It's important to know that these sessions are ordered in a chronological order. So this is the first session that would appear in the program, and the second, and so on and so on. I can move these around as well. So let's say, for instance, I have these all selected, but actually I want them to assign the codes in a different order, then I can do this as well. So if I change the session order, this is going to change the order of the submissions as well, and therefore change how the program codes are assigned. We should also look as well at the other options down here. So what I can do here is I can filter by the column. So this is the actual column of the schedule. So if I filter it by graduate, we can see that now I only have one session. Another thing I can do is filter by tracks. So tracks are things that we can assign to particular sessions. So if I only want to assign program codes for a particular track, I can filter it like this. And I can also have the option to hide submissions which are already assigned program codes. So this will stop me from assigning program codes over the top of other program codes. Okay, so this sums up how we can assign program codes from within the program builder. And it's important, again, to remember that we can only use this method if we have already built out the program. So just bear that in mind. Okay, thanks for watching.